and welcome back to the Libra TMR demonstration videos. So in a previous video we went over a simple example on how to batch ingredients and go through load and eventually feed. Well, now we're going to take a look and go on the back end of it and see how we get to that point. So very simply what we will do to start out with is we'll go ahead and go through the process of building a ration and getting that set up. And then after that, we'll look at how to set up the pens. So the first thing we want to do is looking down at the bottom of the screen. We want to tap on the Rations tab. And then once we progress into the next screen, we'll go ahead on that left side of the display, and to the very right of the left side is a plus button, so we'll go ahead and hit the plus. And probably before I should probably back up, we can look at, if we look at this tab here up at the very top where it has rations and then ingredients, you can push on ingredients and you can see a list here. Now you can go through and you can edit if you want. Hit the edit, go through, adjust dry matter percentage. You can even go through and create your own. Hit a plus and then add an ingredient. You can set up a mix time and then dry matter percentage. We won't do that right now. We'll go back to our Rations tab here. Tap on that. We'll go ahead and create a new ration by pushing the plus button. We'll call this Ration 9. And then I can put in pounds per head initially, if I know what that is at this point. And then I'll go through and add some ingredients here. So if I put alfalfa hay, 400. I'll just go through this example just to show you how it would look. Let's use some fictitious numbers just to set up something simple to follow. And then if you look here, you could put in a mix time. You can also change from ounces to kilograms to grams there. You can also do a manual add. Manual add is going to be for a small micronutrient. So that probably won't be added or used in most scenarios, but it is there if you need to add a micronutrient, something small, so like medication. So once I have my final selection done here, corn silage, I'll push done. And then I will basically look at my order of ingredients and how they are set up. And then once I have everything to where I like it, I'll go ahead and push done. And so I now have a ration set up. And if I ever want to take and edit this, I can edit any of these on the left-hand side, select them, push edit, and go through and edit whatever needs to be done there. So on my ration here, you can see the percentage breakdown. You can see the pounds per head, the timer time. If I want to email this data out, the data are there and available to email out and break down. You can see here the rations as fed, and then it also has the dry matter intake there as well. So I'll hit cancel and go back out of this. So this basically is the very fundamental way to set up the rations and get started with it. The next video we'll pick up from here, and then we'll move on into the pens, getting them set up, coordinated with feed groups.